Professional printing business for Canon has been growing very fast. It's the fastest growing division within Canon India. And within the South and Southeast Asia, we hold the number one position internally as far as the turnover goes. It's been growing more faster than the industry. So our growth rates have been in the range of 20% plus, whereas the digital industry is today growing at about 12%. So overall, I think the buoyancy in the market as far as the Canon brand goes is very much there, and the customers love us and they love the brand that we carry. We segregate in Canon it into two streams. One is commercial printing, and the other is wide format. Within those, we have subdivisions, and that's how we segregate it out. So we have specialized people catering to each segment. Our go-to-market strategy is different for different segments. So that's how we bifurcate it. But some of the customers are overlapping. So if a print for pay, for example, would need a commercial printing solution as well as wide format. So we have a direct sales force, we have channel partners, and we have our office teams and other teams like the camera teams that we can leverage on to cater to various segments. So that's the strength of Canon, that in the imaging sense, right from capturing the image to printing the image and any process in between, we are known for it, and that's the strength that we bring to the customers. We are very strong in, after the Canon and OSE merger, the slogan that we have or the mission that we have worldwide is to be the number one printing company in the world. Looking at that, we cater to 6 various different segments. Commercial printing is the larger umbrella, followed by the wide format printing. But within commercial printing, we cater to the cut sheet solution machines. We cater to production printing, which is the continuous feed machines. We cater to even digital printing on the packaging side, and very soon you will see solutions from Canon 4 coming into the packaging side. Having said that, on the wide format printing side, we have technical document solutions, which are LED based plotters. We have inkjet solutions in the wide format coming from the Canon Stronghold. And the 6th segment is a new segment for Canon, where we are growing very fast and very strong, and this proposition is very, very unique, and that's the commercial photo printing segment. So overall, the length and breadth that we carry is the digital printing, and our aim is to be very strong players or the number one players in digital printing in times to come. Business segments that these 6 various verticals that I spoke about cater to. So right from commercial printers to print for pay, to book POD, to transactional printers, to direct mail, in packaging, when we come up, all the digital packagers and the large converters. We look at the AECM market, which is the architect, engineering, consultants, and the manufacturing market. We look at the graphic arts and the science. Basically, we cater to as I was sharing, the AECM market. We cater to the photo studios, and with the commercial printing, we are targeting very large people who have photo labs or photo chains across. It's different for both these segments. For commercial printing, I would say almost 95% of our business is through our direct sales force, 5% is through channel. Whereas when we come to wide format, you will find that almost 80% of our business is through channel, and only 20% is through direct sales force. So different between these two departments or verticals, our ratio of businesses are different. It's the business model. From day one, when we launched the image press way back in 2007, the unique proposition that we had for our customers was direct sales and direct service, because these are very technology superior products, and these investments were above 50 lakhs in a product. Naturally, the customers were more at peace if the services were being offered by Canon directly. And that somehow grew into our unique USP, and that still is a unique USP of Canon: direct sales and direct service. Having said that, as the market moves towards cheaper and lower products, and we launched them way back in September 2014, we found that now inherently to increase our reach, we would need to have partner on board. So in the future, this mix could change. Uh, but we would like to keep the direct service proposition as the strongest proposition even then going forward. And so we are looking out for maybe very strong sales partners. You would know that Canon products are aggressively priced but are not the cheapest in the market. So to sell a Canon product, you inherently need to know about the value proposition for the end customer. And the value proposition comes in terms of tangible benefits. So whether it is a very high speed printer uh, in the category, or whether it's application oriented printing, or whether it's unique technical advantages, I think the strength of Canon as a brand lies in R&D and technology innovations. So that's what we bring to the fold, and we invest a lot of time and energy. That's why with our partners in training them on all these various factors. Because unless and until our partners know the value add that our products give, based upon price alone, it will be very difficult for them to sell. So we have a separate team known as the HRD team, the Human Resources Development team, who has a dedicated trainer for professional printing. Apart from the various product managers that are in the part of the sales and marketing team. So these people go out and dedicatedly train channel partners, whether they are tier 1 or tier 2, and so that we can enable them to sell more.